Hello guys, today I want to show you a padlock. It's a FAB. I will get a bit better focus. It says it's designed by FAB. Here in Czech you paid 82 Czech crown, that is about $3. Well, let's take a look at the key first. Well, here you can see we have a 6-pin. The first, it's a little bit lower than everyone else. There is higher, lower, higher, and a little bit lower pin. Well, I have played with this padlock for a bit while, and I have found there is no security pins inside. Well, first we can try to zip it. Well, this is a homemade tension wrench. I got it with a set, this small tension wrench, but I like a little bit longer tension wrench so I can feel it better, the feedback from the lock. And let's see, we can zip it first. Reset and try again. No, let's reset. I have found a slight turn and voila, we have it open. Another thing I found, but I tried many times on camera and it didn't work, so let's hope it's going to work this time. I find you don't have to even zip it. It's if you just put the hook inside the keyway, apply a little pressure on the tension wrench and start pressing the pins, you can get it open. And of course it's not going to work on the camera right now like before. To help you understand, I just made, and we get it. So you can see you don't even have to know how to pick the damn pins, you just can do it this way. Well, what I have found about this lock is that I have problem with my hook. This I bought from internet. It's Secure Pro. It's cost me about 2.99 Czech crown, and I have problems with the keyway. I think it's too fat for it, because I don't feel the pins inside and I get stuck in the shape of the keyway. Well, I think you see, if you bought a padlock for 82 crown in Czech, you can get it open just like in the less than 10 seconds. Well, guys, stay safe and stay legal.